Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu and Abba Ansari radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I was blessed with ascension and I even ascended the place called Mustawa, and there I heard the scraping of the pens. And Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made 50 prayers obligatory for my ummah. When I returned with the gift of those prayers, I came across Hazrat Moses alayhi salam on the way. He asked what your Lord Jalla Jalaluhu had enjoined your ummah. I replied, 50 prayers. Hazrat Moses alayhi salam said, go back to your Lord as your ummah is not capable of it. I went back to my Lord, so Allah Jalla Jalaluhu phased out some prayers. Again when I met Hazrat Musa alayhi salam and informed him of it, he again said, go back to your Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, for your ummah is not capable even of it. I again went back to my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, and he Jalla Jalaluhu prescribed 5 prayers and said, but the reward of 50 prayers will be granted, and my word never changes with me. Then when I reached Hazrat Moses alayhi salam, he said, go back to your Lord Jalla Jalaluhu. I thereupon said, now I feel shy to face my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu. Then Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam took me up to the Sidratul Muntaha, the lot tree of the boundary, which was shrouded in such colors as I cannot tell by conjecture. I was then escorted to paradise, where there were domes of pearls, and its soil was of musk. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 414.